Welcome guys, Sense here. Today I will be reviewing the Skoll Mini, and this video was made possible by Tech because they sent me out this version to review it. This will obviously not affect the review, but I still want to mention it. If you need anything besides this mouse, they have a lot of nice stuff in stock, and just feel free to check them out. Now we're gonna start with the actual video. The Skoll Mini comes in a typical G-Wolf box. You will get rubberized stickers and mouse feet, like the rubberized stickers are basically grip tape. You'll get additional arm switches, the collectible box, and paracord cable, the detachable one, and obviously the mouse itself. The paracord is 1.8 meters long and you can attach it with mini USB. The PMW3389 sensor is more than enough and the arm switches should be sufficient. The mouse feet have a really good glide on it, so you don't necessarily need to buy aftermarket ones. Let's talk about the shape. The Skoll Mini is 64mm wide, 117mm long and has a height of 40mm. Let's compare the shape to some other popular mice. Here you can see the comparison with the G Pro Wireless. Feel free to pause at any given moment. There you can see the comparison with an Egg or the G Pro. And there we have the comparison with the Hardy S. If you want to compare the Skoll to any other mouse, I will link the website in the description. So what do I like or dislike about the Skoll Mini? The Skoll Mini I got feels super sturdy. Maybe I just got lucky with the quality, but I talked to other people that own the mouse and they also have good models. But keep in mind that the quality control with G-Wolves is always a little bit of a gamble. The grip tapes that come with it are super comfortable and it makes the mouse a lot better. You can add some substance in areas where it might be too slim for you, and you can really optimize it to fit your grip style. The mouse comes with a lot of additional goodies like the arm switches, the grip tape and the second pair of mouse feet. For me personally, the mouse is too light. I'm not invested into super lightweight mice, but if that's your thing, the Skoll Mini could be a nice fit for you. I like the shape for claw and you can make it work for fingertip. Keep in mind that grip style is a highly individual thing, so I recommend comparing it to mice you own with gear search and really think about if you could like it. Recently a white model released and this one looks great because I really didn't like the red and black version, so if you're more into that clean aesthetic look, consider getting that. Now, should you get the Skoll? In my opinion, that highly depends on the shape, like more than anything. If the shape is something for you, this is a really good mouse. It's light, it has grip tapes already with it, it has nice clicks and good mouse feet. Try to compare the shape with the tool I gave you in the description to your favorite mouse or to a mouse you really dislike to make sure that you like the shape. But other than that, this is a mouse I can really recommend. I personally don't like it that much because it's a little bit too light for me, and again the shape isn't the best for my hand, but I can really recommend it and it's honestly worth a try. Now that the video is over, I want to thank you guys for the huge support on the first few videos. We reached 100 subs way faster than I thought we would, and I just want to give you a little overview over the next content. I will review the Hardy S, and after that I will hopefully finish up the Mouse Modding 101 series with how to mod the switches, and afterwards I hope I'll finally get my case and I can make a video about my first mechanical keyboard. Thank you again for the huge support, I really appreciate that and have a great day.